how to create a recipe or a program in the ACF 2.2 water meter. Go to your home page, choose the letter, and from here we can modify or create recipes. Choose modify and create. From here, it allows you to choose the number for your recipe. Highlight the number. From here, you can choose the number from 1 to 99. Confirm your number. Go to the no name. From here, you can name your recipe. To delete the no name, scroll down to the back arrow and delete the name. And now you can create your own name for your recipe. Scroll through the letters and choose and confirm with the press of the button. Once you have created your name, press exit. Now your name has been saved and your program number. From here, you can go adjust your temperature and liters. Scrolling up, you can change your liters. Next up, your water temperature. To confirm the values, go to exit. Now your program has been saved. To find your program, go to exit. Go to your recipe page from the tab sign. And from here, you can find your wanted recipe by highlighting the program number. And now your recipe has been saved to the program list. From here, you can start your recipe by scrolling to the start and press play. To change the language in your water meter, go to your home page, to the setup, go to the LCD. From here, you can scroll down and change your language. Confirm with the exit. Now your language has been changed. To go back to your home page, choose the house sign, go to the tab. To do manual smaller doses of water, go to your home page, choose the water class and hand sign. From this page, you can discharge small quantities of water without having to set the mixing temperature. From the drinking glass icon, unit supplies mixed water with the same temperature used in the last discharge made. The snowflake is active, unit owner supplies chilled water through your chiller. When the tap sign is active, unit owner supplies tap water available. From the sun icon, unit supplies lukewarm water. To avoid burns, the temperature cannot be set. From here, you can manually discharge just by pressing the button down, and you can see the liter counter on the screen. You can reset the values on the screen by scrolling down to the reset, press a couple of seconds, and now the liter counter is down again to 0. To return to the previous page, press exit, go to the tab sign, and now you're returned to your recipe page. If you're aiming to discharge cold water, please note that the temperature accuracy on the 2.2 model may vary slightly when dosing under 10 liters. The unit is best suited for applications dosing above 10 liters per call. For customers requiring both small and large water doses with more precise temperature control, the TJ50 model would be a more suitable option.